Friends, let us discuss the concept of class 10th, chapter 5th, arithmetic progression, exercise 5.1. Before doing exercise, firstly I will clear what is arithmetic progression. Yes, arithmetic progression when the difference between consecutive terms is same. Consecutive means next term, one term with the next term. Just like that, it is known as AP. When difference between two consecutive terms is same, it is known as AP. Shortly, we can write to arithmetic progression as AP. Now, I will clear the difference between sequence and series. What is sequence? When terms are written in form of commas, then it is known as sequence, like 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. What is this? This is sequence when terms are written in form of commas. But when terms are written with positive sign, then it is known as series, like 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus up to so on. How to find the journal AP? See, A is your first term. This is on first place. This is on second place. This is your second term. This is your third term. This is your fourth term. Means A1 is A. A plus D is your A2. This is your A3. A4. This is A5. Similarly, this is AN. Now you can observe, whenever I am writing A1, then D is not here. Whenever I am writing 2, then we are writing 1 time D. If I am writing 3, then 2D. 4 is there, 3D means previous one you will take. Similarly, for N you will take N minus 1 into D. So, A is your first term. A plus D is your second term. I discussed about that in given sequence. Then when we will check is it AP or not, I told कि when the difference between two consecutive terms is same. Now see, what is this? This is your first term, this is your second term. Difference between these two, A plus D minus A. What is the difference? D. Now take the difference between these two, A plus 2D, and you have to subtract these, so these terms will change their signs. Signs will be altered. This will be cancelled. 2D minus D is D. Similarly here, A will be cancelled. 3D minus 2D is 1D. Means difference between two consecutive term is always you will get D. So this is same. So it is making AP. Now general formula for finding the direct that term you have to find. L. L means last term. AN means also journal term. TN means also journal term. In some books you will see this is using as a journal term. Some books they are using, some are using L. So but all things are same. But formula is A plus N minus 1 in product with D. There is no sign, so it is a product. A plus N minus 1 into D. This is nth term of AP. Nth term of AP. Tn, An, L means these all are equal to this one. A plus N minus 1 into D. Nth term, the journal term we can say. Now we will discuss some questions. And one more result I am telling. If three numbers A, B and C are in AP, then which result is there? This is very important result. If Rajay, three terms are given to you in AP, you know difference between two consecutive terms is same. So B minus A and C minus B will be equal. B minus A is equal to C minus B. Because it is AP, the difference between consecutive terms will be same. So I kept B on one side and A and C one side. It will become 2B. So divide it. What are you getting? B is equal to A plus C. So remember, whenever you have given three terms are in AP, you can write this term as sum of these divided by 2. Direct you can use this result. Now next question is taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Check is it an AP or not. What is the question? Taxi fare after each kilometer when the first kilometer for paying rupees 15 and for each additional kilometer is 15. According to question, what is given for first kilometer you have to pay rupees 15 and for each additional kilometer means if you have to go for second kilometer then you have to pay 23 means 8 with that, then next with 8 means every time you will add 8. Why? According to additional kilometer. Clear? But 15 you will give first. Now you will see is it AP or not. When the difference between consecutive term is same, just like 23 minus 15 is also 8. 31 minus 23 is also 8. Yes, because consecutive terms difference is same. So it is AP. Next is write first 4 terms of AP when A is given to you and D. A is your first term and D is your common difference. What is here? A is your first term means this is A1. D is your common difference. Now you have to find first 4 terms. What is there? First is A1 is 10. A2 you know what is there? A1 plus D. I discussed here कि first term is your A, second term you have to do A plus D. A is given, then you will add D with that. For finding A3, you will say A plus 2D, means 2 times. Similarly, you will get A1 you have, A2, A1 plus D. Similarly, A3, A2 plus D you can, we can say A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So what is D and what is A? You can put 10 plus 2 into 10. 20 plus 10 is 30. Similarly, next you can find. Clear? Means by using the formula. Write next 4 terms if A is given, D is given. Same is here. A1 is given, it means A2 you have to use A1 plus D. A1 put, D put, taking LCM. And after that you are getting this is your A2. Now A3 is A2 plus D. As I told, whenever you have given first term, second term you can find by adding D with first term. Then A3 you can find A2 with D. Means this is also a way and other one you can use this one also. Means if we are adding the previous one term with common difference, then you will get the next term. So you can proceed. 4 terms you want, you can calculate. So A4, this in previous term is A3 plus D. Its previous term is A2 plus D. Clear? Next, write first term and common difference. AP is given to you. So you know first term is your 3. We can say A1 is 3. Now you have to find D. D is common difference between 2 consecutive terms. No need to check others because AP is given, difference must be same. So only we will check A2 minus A1. A2 is your second term 1. A1 is your 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Now for this one, what is your A1 here? 1 by 3. D is your A2 minus A1. So I discussed A2 minus A1. So I put here 4 by 3. Next is write common difference if it is an AP. Check here. Means I have taken some problems and you have to see firstly is it AP or not. How will you check? When the difference between consecutive terms is same, then it is AP. Then you can tell the common difference. When it is not an AP, then difference will not be same. So we can't find the common difference. Now let us discuss first. 2, 4, 8, 16. What is A here? 2. What is a gap between 2 terms? First 2 gap is 2. Here what is a gap? 4. What is a gap here? 8. Difference is not same. So it is not an AP. difference must be same between two consecutive terms. These are consecutive terms, difference between them is 2, and here 4, 8. So difference is not same, so it is not an AP. Next is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. They are given to you. First term is your 2, second term is 5 by 2. So we will check the gap. 5 by 2 minus 2. Take LCM. Then it will become 2. 5 minus 4 means 1 by 2. Now see next one. Because you have to check, so you have to see next one also. 3 minus 5 by 2. Take LCM. 6 minus 5, that is also 1 by 2. If you are getting 2 as a same, no need to check others. So always if 2 are coming same, so third one will automatically will be same. So what is this? This is AP, because you are getting same difference between consecutive terms. Next is, this is given to you. What is A? Minus 1 by 2. What is this? Minus 3.2. You know the difference is same. See, minus 3.2, minus we will take, but minus already there, it will become plus. Minus plus, minus 2. Similarly here 2. All terms, the difference between them is same. So we will see this is AP. Here what is here? First term this, second term is here. 0.22 minus 0.2. Whenever you will write in like form, we can write 0 here, no problem. So what are you getting? 0.02. And here whenever you will see that gap, 0.222, 0.22 is there, we can write 0. See the gap, 2, 0, 0.0. These are not same. They are different, na? So it is not an AP. By observation also you can see. This is not an AP. Next, is it AP? Yes. See, first term, second term. See the gap. 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 will cancel. Only root 2 is here. Now see the gap between these two. 3 plus 2 root 2 and minus minus. You know negative sign will change plus minus minus. This is 2 root 2. It means this is 1 root 2. So 2 1 1, root 2 will keep same. This is also 1 root 2. Root 2 and 1 root 2. It means both terms are same. You are getting same. So this is also AP. This one is not. This one is yes. Next one is root 3, root 6, root 9. Clearly these are not AP. This is root 3, root 6. How can we subtract? And here root 9 can be written as 3. Root 6 can't be subtracted. Difference is not same. If the difference between two consecutive terms is not equal, then it is not an AP. This is can't be subtracted. These are also, these are different, so leave it, because root 3 is not here and negative sign is also different. Now next one, root 2 keep it same, Raji. 8 we can break it. 2 into 2 into 2. You know they are making pair, so we can take it out. 2 is a single one, so we have written it same. First term is root 2, second term is your 2 root 2. Third term we will take it, break it 3 into 3 into 2. 3 is making pair, 2 is not, leave it. For this one, 4 into 4 into 2. 4 root 2. Now see the gap. This is 1 root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2. What is the gap? Root 2. And here also root 2, root 2. So difference is same, so it is AP. Next one. 1 square is 1. 3 square is 9. 5 square is 25. Don't think ki square is same, so you can see the gap. No, firstly you have to open squares. You have to open squares. Now see the gap. 8, 16, 24. Difference is not same. So this is not an AP. Clearly you can check by taking the difference between two consecutive terms. I hope you are getting. Thank you. Have a nice day.